This is Tim, and I'm here to talk to you about All Security Locksmiths. Established by Roger Shalizzi over 40 years ago, it's been servicing Brooklynites all over the borough. Keeping Brooklyn safe and protecting Brooklynites from thieves and burglars, we find ourselves obligated to protect you from the different threat. Scam locksmiths, ghost locksmiths, many other names, but the same result, you being overcharged. It started with the yellow pages, with dozens of phony addresses and even more phone numbers routed to the same place, and now it moved to the internet. Normally, when you are calling a locksmith, you are in a very vulnerable position, and those illegitimate locksmiths are trying to take advantage of you in your bad situation. If you are locked out, they'll most certainly destroy your lock. If you need your cylinder changed, you can pretty much guarantee they will insist on replacing the whole lock, which is absolutely unnecessary. Don't wait till your back is against the wall. Do the research. Find a local locksmith. Make sure they have a walk-in location. All Security Locksmith has 3 walk-in locations located in Brooklyn Heights, Park Slope, and Windsor Terrace. Come in, take a card, store our number in your cell phone. All our locksmiths are bonded, insured, and licensed. If you're not calling All Security, both of us are losing money.